Are you looking to share an image on Twitter without using a card? It can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the easiest way to do just that. I totally understand your frustration. Many users want to share images directly on Twitter without the extra clutter of a card. You're not alone in this, and it's a common request among developers. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to share an image from a specific URL on Twitter without using a card. They want a simple tweet that includes just the image. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's the challenge here? The main issue is that Twitter's API has changed, and some methods are deprecated. But don't worry, we can still achieve this with the right approach. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will make sharing images on Twitter even easier for you. To share an image on Twitter without using a card, the user should first create a shareable link. This link will include the image URL and a predefined message. Next, the user needs to implement a button on their website. When clicked, this button will open a new window with the Twitter share link. After setting up the button, the user should customize the message that will appear in the tweet. This can be done by modifying the text in the share link. Finally, the user can test the functionality by clicking the share button. This should open a new Twitter window with the image link and the custom message ready to be tweeted. Fun fact, did you know that the first tweet ever sent was just the word "just"? It was sent by Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey in 2006. Now we can share images in our tweets too. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user points out that Twitter does not officially support sharing images without using a Twitter card. They suggest creating a web page with a nice image and using the Twitter card validator to ensure it displays correctly. By sharing the link to that web page, users can tweet with a customizable message and a large image. To implement this, the user suggests using web software like PHP and MySQL to generate unique URLs for user-generated content. This allows for proper Twitter card markup, ensuring the image is displayed correctly when shared. Here's a pro tip. Always check Twitter's API documentation for the latest updates. This will help you stay ahead of any changes and ensure your image sharing works smoothly. And there you have it. You can now share images on Twitter without using a card. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments.